Hey guys, it's Jeff with 164 Revival, and I wanted to show you guys a little idea I had with displaying some of my diecast collection here. I'm using old soda crates. As you can see, we got a Coca-Cola crate over here. One's a party pack, and they seem to work pretty good to display your collection. Cars fit fairly decent in there. In this one, I got my Sweet 16 collection here that were in a restore, and I hope the lighting is okay, as you can see. And then down here, I got some of my other some restos, some customs down here, and you can put your turntables up here. You can see they fit pretty good. You can put them up on top. Got another one over here. This one doesn't have as many slots, but you can get a couple cars in this one. And there's some Matchbox restores. Got a couple that are just original and the restore next to them. Turntable can fit up on top of there too. And then I've got another one over here. Trying not to shake around here, but I got another one over here that I'm starting, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one. This one's a Pepsi crate. I'm going to turn it on its side, and then I'll probably mount it up here. And that's the one that I'm going to display the cars from the 32 car bracket challenge that Outlaw Speed Shop there Keith had put on. So I'm going to display those in there. What I'm probably going to have to do is there's what we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 24 spots. There's 25 cars plus Keith's car, plus the K7, which will probably go when I turn it over. It'll go up on top, and that way I can get all of those awesome customs that were in the challenge all displayed, and get them displayed up there on the wall. So I just thought I'd make a real quick video, a few minutes here. Let you know I had an idea for doing the displays, and I thought it was kind of a neat idea. I like old stuff, old primitives, antiques, stuff like that. My house is full of them, and I thought these would be perfect for displaying my collection, or some of my collection, some of the ones that I really like. So hope you like the idea. Go ahead and use it if you want. And we will see you on the next episode. Thanks.